What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got a special one right here. It's Acura, a manual. The backstory with this one is this is actually one of my old baseball coaches from travel when I used to play. He found my Facebook and asked me to detail his vehicle because he's selling this. So he wanted to touch up a little bit. So he asked me, and I said, for sure, I got you, brother. I'll get you right. This thing is in pretty bad condition. It definitely needs some work, especially if you want to sell a vehicle. It needs to be clean, it needs to be top notch. So we're definitely gonna be deep cleaning this thing for sure, shampooing, but the results are gonna be good. So y'all stay tuned for that, and I'll see y'all when we're done. All right, guys, well, that's a wrap. So actually the package that I did is the deluxe on that vehicle right there. But I only wanted to show the interior because the interior was the worst. But it was really bad. The carpet, as y'all could see, was terrible. It was a very cheap carpet. All the fibers knitted up together, and it looked like it hasn't been vacuumed in a while. So everything that was in the fibers just stuck in there. I tried multiple things, but eventually time and effort and patience, it came out looking good. The client was super happy. But yeah, so it was a deluxe that I did on the vehicle. But I just didn't show the exterior because there was literally nothing wrong with the exterior besides maybe the wheel wells. They were pretty coated on. Like, it's repetitive and it's pretty much, I mean, it's very easy. You know, that's like the easiest part. Interior is where the skill's at and where things can change and the method can change. But anyways, that is a wrap. Client is happy. That's a success, and I got paid. So day's going good. So I got about a 30-minute drive, but I'm gonna stop and get a drink because I'm thirsty. But yeah, I appreciate y'all watching. I'll see you on the next one.